Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Thursday, the 23rd of May, and we are now here at the new bridge between Samal Island, which is here. There's going to be a roundabout, and Davao City, which is opposite. So there you can see the work activities. There are some activities from the people. So that's where the bridge will start, and it's going over to the other side. I see the first or second pole there, and here will be the landing side of this 4-kilometer long bridge connected here to this road. It will be a relief for the people because they don't have to wait for the taxis. Sorry, they don't have to wait for the ships, because we all can go over this nice bridge here. From Samal Island to the right, where we are now, to Davao here to the left. And there's a junction of R. Castillo and GP Laurel. Thank you very much.